So hello guys. My name is Lucid Plug. This is paper trading because I don't want to bring out I am just only documenting um my growth, and I don't want to bring out the live button to you. I want to bring out the paper trading because that's where you get all of this education from. You understand? That's where you trade without emotions. That's where you learn to trade without emotions using logic, and that's where you learn to grow accounts. So this is a $5,000 account, and I just want to show you how I have grown this account ever since I started trading it. Okay, you see, I am up 800. This is paper trading. You see that? Who's that name? Lucy Plug, nigga. Um, for those who are in my channel and following what I'm doing, this is buy side liquidity here. That's what I'm targeting. You see how I talked about how price was gonna come and take out this liquidity here, this sell side here, and you see how I targeted that and ended my position, risking very slowly and small. Obviously, that guys, also something else that I wanted to talk about is that no, the broker that you're using or the data that you're getting of these candlesticks matter a lot, because these these candlesticks I am not abusing, no nothing. I'm not abusing anyone. But I am telling you that people out here will give you false data of how these candlesticks are forming. These candlesticks are not the same with these is our these are XNES candlesticks, of course XNES Canyon, and this is their paper trading account. I also have a trading view paper account, and I'm getting their data from Oanda. They have real good data, so I advise you use that, because that's how you will know how these kind of sticks are forming. So I can really tell you how I traded these. So you have to go back to my video that I have a first uploaded, and then you will see how I just traded this. But this is just to show you how I grew a 5,000 account, and now it's up $800. And I took these trades just yesterday in the evening, just to the new day opening up on Wednesday here. How does he know that? Well, go to my channel and watch those videos. See that? It's an entry. See that? It's an entry. It's up 230. I want to take out partials. Yeah, that's me. That's how I do it. That's how I do it. That's how I do it. So, first of all, I take out partials. I want to take out this here. And this one here. See? The stop loss, it's already above break even. I cannot lose nothing. I have just stolen from the market, bro. That's it. That's how you can do. Because these things, you can do them on the live account. I'm doing them. Okay? And you can grow. You understand that? Yeah. So I quickly want to show you here, close positions here. Here. Do you see these here? Do you see all of these? It's beautiful. Oh, there was some days I'm getting it, some days I'm taking when I'm taking the losses. Do you see a bigger loss here? I don't take big losses except for these. I don't have no bigger loss. And this was yesterday where I thought the market was going by, and it did me damage. But it did me damage, but this is not too much damage. 2%. That's 2% of the account. That's too much. Don't risk all that. See what I'm risking on most of my trades? See that? Even less than 0.5%. So you have to look at your risk, because here you just want to look at first of all See that all of this? You want to look at first what you want to lose, then you know what to target. Okay, that's easy. That's easy, bro. So that's how you grow a $5,000 account to 8,000, 5,800. That's up $800. Um, but we have $91 of unrealized profit. So if you guys just want to know how I am doing these things, just go to my YouTube channel and just learn these things. They are easy and anybody can get them. Okay? Yeah, you can get them. For I've created a mentorship for beginners because I am just teaching my brother how to trade these things from scratch. Okay? From scratch. Yeah. So I'm going to be watching this here, this gap here, called an FVG, a CB. Um, and I'm going to be watching this here. So yeah, simply that's how we are going to be rolling. Stick around. We're going to be together. I am reading this shit like a book for you. And then all you have to do is write. I am dictating moves. So see you guys later. And I want to drop 3 videos today, so I have one more to do. I just I just feel so I feel good, man. If you know what I'm saying. Yeah. See you later.